210.10 Ungrounded conductors tapped from grounded systems. Two-wire DC circuits and AC circuits of two or more ungrounded conductors shall be permitted to be tapped from the ungrounded conductors of circuits that have a grounded neutral conductor. Switching devices in each tap circuit shall have a pole in each ungrounded conductor. All poles of multipole switching devices shall manually switch together where such switching devices also serve as a disconnecting means as required by the following: 1.4.10.9.3 for double pole switched lamp holders, 2.4.10.104B for electric discharge lamp auxiliary equipment switching devices, 3.4.22.3.1B for an appliance, 4.4.24.20 for a fixed electric space heating unit, 5.4.26.51 for electric desing and snow melting equipment, 6.430.85 for a motor controller, 7.430.103 for a moto.